Hi guys, I got this tutorial to share with you, or this LCD repair TV tutorial to share with you. Basically, I bought this TV. It's an LG 27-inch, which I sold on eBay, and then I got to send to the buyer. Then the following day, the buyer received a TV. He opened the case, asked the TV is only turn on for 5 to 10 seconds, and it goes off. And he got a TV return. So literally, I opened the TV, disconnected everything, and then dismantled it completely, and then noticed that there's a dark space or a dark sign of burnt on the board. This is a power board. So literally what happened, if one of those blue thing here component are called a ceramic capacitor, so and then one of them got burned, and that's why the TV is no longer producing the light through the inverter, which make the TV goes off every 5 seconds. So what I did, I just remove the part, and then use magnifier to read the value of it, and then place the order on eBay. So I got my part sent to me, which are these. So actually it's these two pieces, this component that blows up. So that's why for some reason the main board or the power board is faulty. Okay, so I'm gonna solder this one back, and then we see how it goes. Alright, see you in a minute for part 2. Thank you.